Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to let you guys know this, but I have partnered up with Granny B's old-fashioned paint. I'm excited to do this. So we have a few of these little pots that you get, like it's plastic. Then we've got a tin basket, which I think is kind of cute. We have this old ceramic pot that I want to paint because, I mean, look at it. Then I'm gonna try to paint this glass. Then we have some tin things over there. Look how cute is this thing. And we're gonna paint this hard plastic and soft plastic. And this is the paint.
In the dark will lay in your arms I'll stay. Anything we have known, anything we've forgotten. In the rain, in the dark will lay in your arms I'll stay.
Hey guys, so I have just painted all of those little things that I showed you guys, and I've done 2 coats for each of them. So let me show you what it looks like. And also, by the way, the paint is amazing. Like, it literally spreads so far, so you don't even need to like use a lot of the paint.
This part of us would never change.
So I was busy packing up, and I just thought, like, I have such an ugly phone cover, and I decided I'm gonna go and make it pink.
In the rain, in the dark will.
Well, I've had so much fun doing that. So thank you so much to Granny B's for sponsoring all this paint and giving me some time to just like get away and therapeutically take my mind off everything. So thank you so much to Granny B's old-fashioned paint, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll show you guys in the blog post what everything looks like. Bye.